head out, leaving the office to go to Atlanta to film with Greystone. But before we jump into that awesome content, I want to show you guys who is sponsoring this video for today. It is Simply Safe. I just hit the keypad while I'm doing that. While we're hitting the keypad doing that, I'm going to show you what the keypad does basically. It's electronic, and you type in your code. I'm not going to show you what my code is.
Alarm off.
Beautiful, sexy voice. So they have a whole bunch of different options that you can use catered to yourself, whether if you're at home or in my case, I'm using it for the office. They have a smoke detector, a key fob, panic button, temperature sensor, water sensor, a camera doorbell, motion sensors, glass break sensor, camera, electronic lock, and an entry sensor. You can get as many or as little that you need. Super easy to install. If you can screw, you can do. Literally, that's it. Freaking easy. The entry sensor is super easy to install because it has double-sided tape, so if you can't screw, you can still do. So we have glass break sensors for each one of the windows. I'm just gonna place that there. I'm not gonna show you how it works. I asked Ben if I could shatter a window, but he said no, so no fun. Don't mind the mess. We're still under construction, but this will be the podcast room, so I'm gonna put the motion sensor up here in the corner. So if anyone tries to break into the podcast room, Simply Safe will call the cops, and then I'll show up too, and you'd probably rather have the cops here than me. One of the best things about Simply Safe is it's only 50 cents a day with no contract. With that, you get 24/7 surveillance from their monitoring center, and they'll call the cops whenever something happens. Personally, I wish I had this when I was getting my house robbed while I was actually in my bed back in high school. So yeah, glad to have this now. Totally could have used it, like, I'm not gonna tell you how long ago that was because that's gonna show my age. So don't wait for something to happen to you to decide you wanna get protected. Go to simplysafe.com/Alex Zedra to learn more. I'm sorry, that was like you said action, I had a burp. We're out here at Greystone. We're gonna do some sniper training. We're gonna be working with the 308. I have Rachel and India. We're two of the other girls are upstairs working with the 6.5 Creedmoor. I feel like this is now a competition because we broke up in teams. So Greystone is an awesome, badass experience for civilians, anybody who wants to live out their most wildest dreams. We're gonna be James Bond, play Call of Duty, get to freaking go in helicopters, shoot out of helicopters, do sniper training, just the most above and beyond badass stuff that you could possibly never ever get to do as a basic civilian that you get experience to do.
And we get to do that.
Yeah, it's gonna be a long day.
And I heard a helicopter's coming.
Far right. Hit. Nice. All right, go ahead and head over to the alleyway. Find that blue silhouette. Go ahead and hold center mass on that. Hit. All right, orange, 400, 2.25. Hit.
Pushed out 600 yards.
Hit. Nice. Far left target. Hit. Nice.
All right, so now it's my turn. We're gonna run a course of fire. It's pretty intense. I have no idea exactly what I'm about to get into, but we're gonna jump in a side-by-side after a couple targets and run around and shoot, and then run all the way from up there all the way down here, and then run up the stairs and then shoot from up there. And I haven't done cardio in a long time, so this is shit, that was epic as fuck. How do I look? Look at this hair. Oh my god. Ah. So it's like a steady incline of epicness. So I don't know what is next. I mean, we just ran a course of fire and explosives, so I have no idea what it's gonna be next. I'm pumped. Oh man. Dude, it was like raining on me in there, and I'm like, oh god. So the first time actually shooting out of a windshield, and it had already been shot up before, so it kind of like obstructions, like, can't even talk right now. Your view, and then the angle of it isn't really. Dude, I'm like covered in glass right now, but yeah, I don't know. That was freaking intense, dude. Holy crap.
Okay.
That was a lot of fun. Whew, never shot out of a windshield before. Can I help you, Ben?
It's like first season when they're doing the reunion and she's like,
I don't know what that is. I took 3 little tomatoes and just chicken salad croissant. Dude, this is like bougie right now. I am at a resort. A Freedom Tactical Resort. Dropped in the middle of eating my strawberries. It's gonna be a good day. I'm not hungry anymore. We just finished a course of fire and there's a freaking helicopter behind us because we're about to go up in that thing and literally shoot out of it.
Aerial gunnery.
Aerial light up some
gunnery.
Yeah, no, she said it.
That's a technical term. Sure, it's safer than a roller coaster, so.
Done flying up there. Tell me about it. How was it?
Do I have to put into words or can I just do it? It was like that, but in my mind and body. Like I don't have words.
You can't
How do you
do
put that into words?
So I made a joke like, oh, so what are we gonna do? Fly it next? Ha ha ha. And then they're like, ha ha ha. And now they're like, all right, we're gonna get back in it. And I'm like, wait, so there's a chance?
Yeah, what's gonna happen?
We're going back up. What the hell? After I took this off thinking the party was over, apparently the party's just getting started.
No, seriously, what's gonna happen?
Yeah.
oh hey there, I'm just getting my workout on right now. No big deal, although it is big and it's a big deal. Does this gun make my muscles look big?
Like, yeah, I love holding guns because it makes me short.
Okay.
I just had a service right now. So yeah.
I get like your final goodbyes just in case?
Goodbye.
Damn, Ben.
Right? I don't want your face to be the last one I see, Ben. That's what I'm gonna do.
Farewell.
Can I leave like a secret message for my parents just in case I don't make it back?
Oh, look at this. I'm GoProing it.
Are you nervous?
Well, I have to pee, so I don't know if it's because I'm nervous or if I really have to pee.
Terrible time.
I know. I just hope I don't trip and fall and get drugged through the cracks.
Let's do this. No, let's do this. There's no going back.
No going.
I'm getting a little nervous now, I'm not gonna lie. Just a little bit, like excited nervous.
Okay, see you guys in the air.
Oh my god!
I've been waiting for the chance to prove myself. Take the wheel, hit the gas, gonna race some hell. Gonna know my name, gonna hear me yell. Nothing holding me back far as I can tell. Can't stop me now. Can't hold me down. Can't stop me now. Can't hold me down. I've been waiting for the chance to break it down.
Holy shit! This is the craziest moment of my life! Oh my god! Holy shit! I'm watching the sunset hanging from a fucking helicopter! Oh my god!
Alright, the sun looks freaking phenomenal, by the way.
The most beautiful sunset I've ever seen in my life.
You can see every freaking deer in like within like
Cows,
like,
cows.
yeah.
But it really was super peaceful.
I'm gonna ask, have y'all ever experienced anything like that before?
No,
No,
never
absolutely.
experienced
I've been
anything
like
that
skydiving,
before.
and this was freaking
No, this was better. I think
like
it was better than
nuts.
skydiving.
Yeah.
This
This
is
was
the most
amazing.
amazing
Yeah,
thing.
this
The
is my favorite part
sunset,
of
doing
it.
it at sunset was like the best
Yeah.
part.
I literally
watch it. You could see the whole. It was a.
I just wanted to like
Oh.
freeze there.
My favorite part was when we were
then she
landing
fell.
and Kat was the first one down, and the helicopter was like this, and Kat started getting dragged on the fucking ground. I looked down and I like literally almost pissed myself on Rachel because I'm laughing so hard at you.
I was on the ground. I couldn't get up because I was laughing so hard. Like it was just a grand finale. Like
After that, like, how do you feel about the experience you've had with Greystone so far?
You can't top it.
No.
Like
No.
you freaking can't. Like
No.
who? What? Like we can't even basic white girls can go and do this. You know what I mean? Like come on. Like I don't even
That
know
was
how many.
amazing. Like
Yeah,
Just a civilian can't do
because
this.
you can't even really
You can't.
understand what you're doing until you're here doing it. That's
Right.
the thing.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
like
you don't know what to
it's-
expect because this is too much.
Imagine us trying to like put into words what we just did today. It's,
Yeah.
It'd be so. I'm gonna just have to send them footage.
it's gonna
Yeah.
take time to process for sure. So.
Yeah.
So it is night. We have no sun. We're shooting a course of fire, a laser, and it is like Okay, that was really stupid of me. I literally blinding myself with my phone to see what time it is. I have no idea what it's pitch black. This is super freaking fun. I haven't done this in so long, so I can do this all night. Seriously. We have fucking
You're in the presence of a real queen bee. What you get is what you see. I'm a goddess and a beast, a nightmare and a dream. Yeah, I'm the real thing. Ain't nobody can compare to me. So call me majesty, but you better bend the knee, 'cause you're working for me.
I'm about to shoot 200 yards in a really big explosive, apparently, of a Greystone logo, and I have no idea what is about to happen, so